Hello, this is a short overview of paper 2, which you'll be using a pestle analysis, uh, and you'll be conducting a little bit of primary research with a face-to-face interview or focus group or survey, written survey. There's the links. And this is something new. I'm asking that you would include some charts in the second paper. Again, it's to work on 4 higher level business skills. I give you the requirements. Down here are some examples of a pestle analysis. I give you links to those tools. Again, I'm hoping you're going to be using Collaborate. Still using the group project tool that was set up. Same kind of deal as a first meeting. I'm suggesting it be this week. And I give you the 8 sections of the paper. The list of visuals is definitely a new item. I don't believe there's anything more significantly different here. So if you have any questions, please holler, reach out. I'm here to help. Thank you.